God bless the great state of South Carolina.
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
South Carolina. South Carolina.
We sort of think of South Carolina as having three main geographic regions. The upstate, anchored by Greenville and Spartanburg, tends to be more conservative, a little bit less diverse population. The Midlands, the area around Columbia, where there is a little bit more diversity, and Democrats tend to do a little better in some of those areas. And then the Low Country, or the coastal region, and that's also a pretty conservative area. In the upstate, Greenville County and Spartanburg County, again, those are the two big counties, but a little less racial diversity in places where Republicans do very, very well.
And Father God, we ask for clarity and strength.
Ted Cruz, I think, has particular strengths in the upstate. That's where the evangelical vote tends to have the biggest impact, and Ted Cruz has done very well with evangelical voters and been able to connect with that demographic. The middle part of the state, Richland and Lexington County, those two big counties, both where Columbia is and right in the Columbia suburbs. And again, there's some splits with Richland County having a higher percentage African American and tending to be a little more Democrat. Lexington County being suburban Columbia, that tends to be more Republican and a higher percentage white. There's also a lot of divisions in terms of economic conditions that go between rural and urban. And see these rural agricultural counties in the middle part of the state, many have high African American populations, but also tend to be among the poorest. Along the coast, the two main counties that really, I think, have the biggest impact on politics are Charleston County, where Charleston and North Charleston are, and also in Horry County, which is where Myrtle Beach is, another really growing area. Charleston County is competitive. Obama actually won in Charleston County, but it's also, very split between African Americans supporting Democrats and whites supporting Republicans.